Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Golden Bowl. A moral story: never try to trick anyone. An old lady lived in an old house. There were many things in the house that she never used. One such thing was a bowl made of gold. She had never paid much attention to it. The old lady had little money. She could only afford to buy some food for herself. Sometimes she used to sell the things in her house to buy new clothes or utensils. This time, she needed a pan. So she looked around and found the golden bowl. "I have never used this. Let me sell this in exchange for a pan," she thought. The lady went to a shopkeeper. He was greedy and decided to fool the lady. "This bowl is only worth a small pan," he said. The lady was not happy and went to another shopkeeper who realized that the pan was made of gold. He gave the lady 500 silver coins and many other gifts. The lady showed these gifts to the old shopkeeper and scolded him for his greed.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.